So we come to reality here. And the reality of this is that the whole point of the submarine for the Navy is defense. And it's kind of overwhelming. This is like a sideways rocket where it has, you know, a propulsion system that sends out through the back of this Polaris missile, or as it's otherwise known as an A3. And it has multiple sections. It looks just, well, the basic design really reminds me of a spaceship, except the nose cone is empty instead of filled with people, right? It's for the radar equipment there. And then the sections that we have here, but just seeing like the size of this, like if I stand right next to this, right, it's like so much bigger. It's huge. It's like almost 4.5 feet by 4.5 feet diameter. And then I go through this gallery of different kinds of weapons of destruction. Yeah, MK-49s. It's a mine. MK Mark 37, which is a torpedo from World War II era. And then we have a little bit more modern class torpedo, which is the Mark 48, and they have propellers in the back to really push it through the water and cause whatever damage it needs to cause. And I don't know, just walking through and seeing the reality of what the purpose of the submarine is, but the defense in form, you know, of torpedoes sometimes is hard to swallow. And, you know, working at Raytheon, I made my own kind of, not excuse, but real recognition that what I was doing was truly defense, because I was working on the radar program where the radar is used to detect and intercept ballistic missiles, whereas on a submarine, it really feels like the whole point is to be stealthy and attack the opposing side. And it's just it's hard. It's hard to see submarines as defense instead of offense.